Let's say this is the main wire, and we will be connecting to this main wire with this wire. Now what you do is you grab yourself some wire terminals, close it as so, and you clamp it down. Now if you grab your second wire and you insert it and you crimp down on it, you will have a solid connection. And what you can do now is you have your existing wire and your new wire, which can effectively be inserted. Here I have my Klein multimeter, and what I will do is move it to set it to continuity. Continuity. So we have a good T-tap.